Hello students, let us see how to register for TCS Codevita. Type TCS Codevita in Google. The first link is the official website. Click on this and now we are registering for TCS Codevita season 12. Just click on register now. Now we do not have any username registered in the past, so we are a new user, so we click on register. Then you select the country as India. Then it will ask you to enter the first name. You give your first name and the last name. Then you enter your email ID. So you can use the college official email ID, or you can also go with a Gmail account. I'm giving my official email ID. Then you choose any username. Now let me use let's say BR Kant as my user ID. Then check out the consent. Then it is not enabled, it will be enabled only when you read this and accept here. Then you click on register. Yes, now it will, yeah, this username is already exist. Let me say that 123 BR Khan 123. Yes, now the email verification is successfully sent to your registered email ID, that whatever the mail ID that you have used. Right, now let me check out my email. Yes, you can see I got that verification link. Click on this, click on this. Yes, so now it will ask you for mobile authenticator setup. So to do this, you install Microsoft Authenticator in your mobile phone. Then just open that app in your mobile phone. Just I'm doing it now. And scan this QR code so that it will generate one OTP for you, one time code. Now let me scan it. Yeah, I scanned it. Now it is showing one OTP. Yeah, just I will enter that OTP here. 696577. Then click on this. Yeah, now I have done my registration process. So let us complete the profile information. Let us verify your contact details. 8143173148. Send. The sending failed. The number is already in use, so I'll use my other number 8977111505. Yeah, now the OTP has sent. So let me get that phone. Yes, I got that OTP. Yes. So let us verify the OTP. mobile verification done, and you can see my completion process is increased to 67%. You keep inserting these. Let us, you can select 2028 and then choose the nearest TCS location as Hyderabad. Then institution name, let us use others. Just click on others. Okay, just you type others and it will show others, and then you can see that. But this is one more step we need to do. Just create the CT or DT reference ID. To do so, just click on this TCS next step. Click on register now. Click on IT. Then enter your email ID. Let us enter then an email verification OTP will be sent to your email ID. Let's go and check. Yeah, now you can see I've received it. Then just this will not work copy and pasting this, so we need to type it manually. Let us type SEA capital letters A LM2 LM2. Yes, then click on submit. Then it will ask you few more details. Enter the last 4 digits of your Aadhaar ID, then first name, then last name, then select the date of birth, then click on I agree, then proceed. Yeah, candidate already exists in the system, it is showing. So I already created that. So let me get my reference number directly here. Where it is? No, I have done with other email ID. Yes. Now let me check my code here. Yeah. Yes, actually this is my CT reference ID. CT reference ID. Now let us go and enter that reference ID here and then click on save. Profile changes, CT reference ID already linked. Yes, so it's already linked with that the previous step, so that is why it is showing. So once you complete this profile, then it completes and you will get a success message. So registration confirm, like this is a confirmation mail, and this is one time verification. Yeah, sorry, I need to check with this. Yeah, so you finally will be getting a successful registration message. So with that you can complete the registration process for Codevita. So you should be able to like check your profile and the contest. If you click on contest, it will show the instructions. Okay, eligibility criteria, all these things. So this is how we register for TCS Codevita.